Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is the latest weather forecast for United States under this week. First off, if you're watching this channel for first time and still haven't subscribed, so subscribe now so you don't miss any important information about weather. Thanks a lot. A front extends from the lower Great Lakes and Ohio Valley, across the Tennessee and lower Mississippi valleys, and into the central high plains. It will begin to shift off most of the eastern seaboard, though lingering effects will persist over the southeast and parts of the Gulf Coast. By Tuesday, the boundary is expected to produce a variety of weather conditions, including showers and severe thunderstorms from the mid-Atlantic to the southeast and Gulf Coast states. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a slight risk, level 2/5, of severe thunderstorms for these regions, continuing through Monday morning. The primary threats from these storms include frequent lightning, damaging wind gusts, hail, and a few isolated tornadoes. Additionally, this boundary will generate showers and thunderstorms capable of producing heavy rainfall, particularly over the northern mid-Atlantic. The Weather Prediction Center has issued a slight risk, level 2/4, of excessive rainfall for parts of this region, also through Monday morning. The heavy rain associated with these storms is expected to create localized areas of flash flooding, particularly in urban settings, on roads, near small streams, and in low-lying areas. Meanwhile, an upper-level low position just off the northwest coast will bring rain and possibly embedded thunderstorms to parts of the Pacific Northwest on Sunday. Simultaneously, upper-level energy riding over the top of a ridge in the Central Plains will spark showers and thunderstorms across portions of the Central and Southern Plains on Sunday. In the southwest, monsoonal moisture combined with daytime heating will lead to showers and thunderstorms developing over parts of the southwest, the eastern Great Basin, and the northern and central Rockies. These storms are expected to form in the late afternoon and persist into the late evening on both Sunday and Monday. As we look ahead to Monday, showers and thunderstorms are expected to develop across parts of the Northeast, Mid-Atlantic, and Southeast. Additional upper-level energy will contribute to the development of storms across the Central and Southern Plains and into the lower Mississippi Valley. Further north, disorganized upper-level energy moving over the northern Rockies and into the northern plains will also produce scattered showers and thunderstorms across that region. In the southern plains and lower Mississippi Valley, an upper-level ridge will continue to dominate, leading to sweltering conditions with high temperatures in the low 100s. Dew points in the low to mid-70s will exacerbate the heat, leading to the issuance of excessive heat warnings and heat advisories across parts of the southern plains and lower Mississippi Valley. This oppressive summer heat is expected to persist, with a prolonged stretch of triple-digit temperatures focusing on the southern plains and Gulf Coast through Tuesday. Low temperatures will only drop into the low 80s and upper 70s along the Gulf Coast, offering little relief during the overnight hours. The combination of extreme heat and high humidity will push daily maximum heat indices near 110 degrees Fahrenheit, significantly increasing the risk of heat-related illnesses for those spending extended periods outdoors or in buildings without adequate cooling. These widespread weather impacts will demand attention from all those in affected regions. Severe storms pose multiple hazards, including lightning, damaging winds, hail, and the potential for isolated tornadoes. Heavy rainfall could lead to flash flooding, particularly in urban areas, on roadways, and in regions with poor drainage. Residents in these areas should remain vigilant, monitor local forecasts, and be prepared to take action should severe weather or flooding warnings be issued. On the heat front, the ongoing high temperatures in the southern plains and Gulf Coast, combined with high humidity, will create dangerously hot conditions. Those living in areas under excessive heat warnings or heat advisories should take extra precautions. Staying hydrated, limiting outdoor activities during peak heat hours, and ensuring that pets and vulnerable individuals are not exposed to the extreme conditions are essential steps to prevent heat-related health issues. The showers and thunderstorms forecasted across the northern mid-Atlantic could lead to significant rainfall totals, particularly in areas prone to flooding. The slight risk of excessive rainfall means that flash flooding is a real possibility. If you live in these regions, it is essential to have an emergency plan in place, especially if you are in a flood-prone area. Never attempt to drive through flooded roads, as even shallow water can be extremely dangerous. Moving to the Pacific Northwest, the upper-level low off the coast will bring much-needed rain to parts of the region. While the rain is generally welcome, there could be some localized flooding, especially in areas with burn scars from recent wildfires. The embedded thunderstorms could also produce brief periods of heavy rain, gusty winds, and lightning. People living in these areas should keep an eye on local weather alerts and be prepared for changing conditions. In the southwest and parts of the eastern Great Basin and northern Rockies, monsoonal moisture will combine with daytime heating to produce showers and thunderstorms in the afternoons and evenings. These storms could be slow-moving, leading to localized flooding, especially in mountainous areas, canyons, and desert washes. Hikers, campers, and those traveling through these areas should remain aware of the potential for flash floods and rapidly changing weather conditions. The central and southern portions of the plains will see a continuation of unsettled weather due to upper-level disturbances moving over the ridge. Showers and thunderstorms in these regions could be accompanied by strong winds, heavy rain, and isolated severe weather, particularly as we move into Sunday and Monday. As always, it's essential to stay informed about the latest weather developments if you are in an area where severe weather is expected. The weather across the United States will be active over the next few days, with significant impacts expected across multiple regions. Whether it's the severe storms in the east, the heavy rainfall in the mid-Atlantic, or the oppressive heat in the south, it's crucial to remain weather aware. Keep updated with the latest forecasts, heed any watches or warnings issued by the National Weather Service, and take necessary precautions to protect yourself, your family, and your property. Stay safe, and stay informed as we navigate this active weather pattern. This expanded script incorporates more detail about the expected impacts, advice for residents, and general weather patterns across various regions. Thanks for watching.